So, if you've been using DaVinci Resolve and you try to stretch a clip expecting it to slow down, but instead it just shows the next part of the video, you're probably thinking something is broken. But here's the thing, it's not a bug, it's just how DaVinci Resolve works. By default, when you drag the edge of a clip, you're not actually changing its speed, you're just trimming it. That means Resolve is simply revealing more of the footage instead of slowing it down. If you actually want to slow down your clip by stretching it, you need to use Retime Controls. And one small but important step most people miss. Here's how to do it. First, select your clip, then press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. You'll now see a speed bar appear on the clip. Now, before you drag anything, make sure you switch to the Trim Edit mode. You can do this by pressing the T key or selecting the Trim tool from the toolbar. Now you can drag the speed change bar for changing the speed of the clip.